Hello there, my good people. I got another product. I want to stop on by because I got another product to add to my channel. Something I had to purchase for my podcast. I wanted Amazon, make sure everything is packaged well. My box, it is a digital voice recorder. It comes well packaged. A rechargeable Bluetooth it's a 48 gigabyte digital voice recorder activated with the activated recorder with it's a voice activated recorder with playback. So, and it's good for lecture meetings, dictaphone, tape recording. It has the USB. So what I'm going to do is open it up so you can see what it looks like and all of that good stuff. All right, once I took the plastic off, you just slide it on off. It comes well sealed. And then it all sealed up, nice and small, fits right on in your hand, nice and sealed. So I wanted it, and a nice slim small recorder, and it does come with instructions so you will know how to use it. So, and it has a little tape on it to protect the screen when you're ready to use it. All you do is go ahead and slide that on off. That protects your screen, letting you know all of that. It's got protection on the back, so you can remove that. So it's nicely protected, so it doesn't, get all scratched up before you're even able to use it, before you drop it. So let me see what it's all about. Okay, and then you have the little plug over here, so you'll be able to charge it. And in this box is where you will have your cord, and you will just plug it up so it can get charged. So what I'm going to do is to get that all, see what that is all about and see how it works. Okay, now that it's open, it has like your slide up and down for off and on. For your off and on, then it has your volume right here, and then this is to go forward and backward, and then it has your plugs over here. It does have one of these type of headphones. I have so many different types of headphones, so I'm fine with that. So this is the type that you will have to use for this. So if you want to listen to it on your own instead of out loud, and it does it's real simple to use. You just have your back, and you have your back button, save your red, that shine, of course, your record, and your on, pause, and start over here by record. So it's real simple to use, and I just wanted to do like a test to see how it sounds. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. So hey, awesome, and that's how it works. And there you are, good to go. Please like and share, and the Amazon link to this product is in the description. Thank you.